What happens if you eat kiwi every day? Benefits of eating kiwi fruit daily. Kiwi fruit is not only rich in flavor but also loaded with health benefits, including a high concentration of antioxidants. While kiwi was not very well known in India in the past, it has gained popularity in recent years due to imports, and even more so since doctors began recommending it for increasing the platelet count of dengue patients. Kiwi is a rich source of essential vitamins such as C, K, and A, as well as carotenoids and omega-3 fatty acids. To reap the benefits, it is recommended that everyone consume at least one kiwi fruit daily. One serving of kiwi provides a significant amount of vitamin C and dietary fiber, with 117% of the daily value of vitamin C and 21% of dietary fiber in just one serving. Additionally, kiwi fruit contains twice as much vitamin C as oranges or lemons. With the increasing demand for kiwi in India, many countries have begun exporting the fruit, leading to a decrease in its price. The health benefits of kiwi fruit have made India one of the fastest growing markets for this fruit. Chile is the favored origin due to the superior quality of its kiwi fruit. Moreover, Chilean kiwis are more profitable for sellers as they have a 15% duty advantage over kiwi fruit from other origins, thanks to the India-Chile Preferential Trade Agreement. The demand for kiwi fruit in India is on a steady rise, making it an attractive market for sellers. Last season, we exported 5,000 tons of kiwi fruit to India. This year, despite being in the initial phase, the actual volume of kiwi fruit entering the market has already reached 8,000 tons, and we anticipate this number will continue to increase. With its sweet and tangy flavor, kiwi fruit is incredibly versatile and easy to incorporate into various dishes. Whether you're making a salad, main course, or dessert, kiwi fruit can be used in any type of dish. 1. Reduces asthma symptoms. Kiwi fruit is abundant in vitamin C and antioxidants, which can enhance lung function and decrease asthma symptoms with regular consumption. 2. Improves immunity. For individuals with weakened immune systems, kiwi fruit is an essential addition to their diet. It helps combat microbes, reduces the incidence of seasonal infections, and possesses antifungal properties. 3. Controls diabetes. Kiwi fruit is not only low on the glycemic index but also contains properties that can prevent dysfunction of adipose tissue, which has been associated with diabetes. 4. Fights cancer. Extracts from kiwi fruit have been discovered to be effective in treating DNA degeneration, and the fruit has a history of use in traditional Chinese medicine to combat various types of cancer. 5. Good for vision. Kiwi fruit contains phytochemicals lutein and zeaxanthin that are beneficial for maintaining eye health, preventing macular degeneration in particular. 6. Fights insomnia. Kiwi fruit is a great source of serotonin, which can promote restful sleep. Consuming kiwi fruit in the evening can be particularly helpful for individuals with sleep disorders. 7. For glowing skin. Kiwi fruit is high in vitamin E, which can not only help achieve a smooth and radiant complexion but also combat fine lines and wrinkles. Consuming a kiwi fruit every day is thought to slow down the aging of the skin. 8. Fights anemia. Kiwi fruit is a rich source of vitamin C and phytochemicals, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, which aid in the body's absorption of iron. 9. Promotes heart health. Kiwi fruit's high levels of vitamin E, vitamin C, and potassium contribute to cardiovascular health by preventing the clogging of arteries. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.